In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a black or blank screen with a blinking cursor on boot. This issue can be quite frustrating, but don't worry. We're going to tackle it step by step. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by performing a hard reset and disconnecting all devices. This is a crucial step because sometimes external hardware can interfere with the boot process. Begin by shutting down your computer completely. Make sure it's off by pressing and holding the power button until you no longer see any lights or hear any sounds. Once it's completely off, disconnect all devices and peripherals, including USB drives, printers, or external hard drives. Eject any disks from the optical drive as well. By doing this, we're ensuring that nothing external is causing the problem. Next, we're going to restart the computer. Go ahead and turn it off if it's not already, then wait a few seconds before turning it back on. In some situations, just a simple reboot can trigger the operating system to recover from minor issues at boot time. When you power it back up, take a moment to see if the issue is resolved. If it's not, don't worry, we have other troubleshooting steps to go through. The third step involves repeating the forced shutdown process 3 times. You might wonder why we do this, but it's because forcing a shutdown 3 times in a row can prompt the system's automatic repair mode. When you boot your computer on the 3rd attempt, look for a message that says "Preparing automatic repair." This can often lead you to a troubleshooting screen that might offer some built-in repair options. Should you find yourself at a command prompt, there's also a potential solution here. You can type in some specific commands to try and resolve the issue. After each command, make sure to press enter to execute it. Once you've gone through the necessary commands, go ahead and restart your computer. Now, if you're still facing trouble, don't despair. Consider uninstalling recent updates. Sometimes a new update might be incompatible, thereby causing the boot problem. So navigate to the option that reads Uninstall Updates and remove the latest quality or feature update, then try rebooting again. And finally, if none of these solutions bring you back to a working state, we have one last resort, which is System Restore. This feature allows you to roll back your computer to a previous state before the issue began. System Restore is a handy tool that can resolve many system problems if they're due to recent changes. And there you have it, a complete guide to troubleshooting a black screen with a blinking cursor issue. I hope this has been helpful for you and that your computer is up and running smoothly once again. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.